Hi, this is David Whitehead, the CEO of ChildCloud. Just wanted to update you on a quick feature that we've improved upon. It is the meal menu, which is accessible via the Center Management tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down to Setup, and then click on Meal Menu. So you'll notice now the difference being these top navigation bar. So you can now rename your meal menu by just clicking the rename button, give it a name. I've called my active one August menu, but you can create multiple menus now. So I want to create, so I've got a July menu and an August menu. So I can basically toggle between the two. So you'll notice that my July menu is different to my August menu. The August menu, I've only got Monday done. So you might want to put in a different menu for Tuesday, for example. So you'd work through it. That's got autosave on it, so it's going to autosave that for you, which is awesome. And then it's going to pull through to your activities module. So I'll just quickly show you that. So if I do a search in the top navigation bar for activities, so my current menu you'll see is August. So if I go to activities, I click on new activity, and I click on food. Now I want to log a food menu for Kathy. I'm going to scroll on to food, click on all, and it's breakfast. You'll see it putting through eggs on toast, which is from my currently active menu. So let's just jump back into the meal menu again. Okay, so it's Monday eggs and toast. If you want to create a new menu, click on just the new menu button. This could be, for example, either September or your summer menu or term 2, whatever you want to call it. And then again, you can just go and add your new ones, and then once you're happy with it, you can just then toggle between those. But you'll see the active button's the important thing. You need to make whichever one you're on, click on Make Active, and it'll pull through. You can also duplicate a menu. So let's say you liked the July menu, but you want to just duplicate it and make a few changes. Just click on the duplicate button. Okay, so it's copy of June. Now I'm just going to rename that to, let's just call this one October. Rename it. And you might just want to change one or two things on it. You might just want to change that to pairs, for example. And it's going to autosave. Okay, so now you've got 4 menus and it's taken you a couple of seconds to make that. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, but I think this is going to be a great update. I know a lot of schools were requesting this feature. Cool. Have a great day. Thank you.